pleasure that I now invest you with the jewel of your office, the square. The square is used by the operative mason to fit and adjust the stones of the building that all of its parts may properly agree. So you as master of this lodge are admonished by the symbolic meaning of the square to preserve the moral deportment among the members of your lodge, which should always characterize the good and the pure, especially the good mason, and to exert your authority to prevent any ill feeling or angry discussion arising to impair the harmony of their meetings. You now receive in charge the various implements to be used in your lodge. First, I present you with the three great lights of masonry: the Holy Bible, the square, and the compasses. The Bible, the great light of masonry, will guide you to all truth. It will direct your paths to the temple of happiness and point out to you the whole duty of man. The square teaches us to regulate our actions and harmonize our conduct by the principles of morality and virtue. The compasses teach us to limit our desires in every station, that rising to eminence by merit, we live respected and die regretted. I also present you with the rule and line. The rule directs that we should punctually observe our duties, press forward in the paths of virtue, and inclining neither to the right or to the left. In all our actions have eternity in view. The line teaches us the criterion of moral rectitude, to avoid dissimulation in our conversation and actions, and directs our steps in the paths which lead to immortality. The Book of Constitutions you are to search at all times. Cause it to be read in your lodge that none may pretend ignorance of the excellent precepts that it enjoins. You now receive in your special charge the charter, by authority of which this lodge is held. As its lawful custodian, you are to carefully preserve and duly transmit it to your successor providers. You also receive in charge the bylaws of your lodge, which you are to see carefully and punctually executed. Lastly, I place in your hands the gavel, an additional insignia of your rank and authority. Wield it, my brother, with prudence and discretion, firmly, yet never arbitrarily, to the end that good order and harmony may be preserved. I now seat you in the Oriental chair and cover you with that distinction which in this lodge is your privilege alone to wear. Mr. Master, would you raise your lodge? Masons only. Mr. Master, behold your brother. Brother, behold your worshipful master, and join with me in giving the grand honors.